The most powerful explosions in the universe, cosmic cataclysms beyond imagination. The universe is full of violent, earth-shattering events. But some explosions are so powerful that they outshine entire galaxies, ripping apart space and time itself. What causes these cosmic cataclysms? Could one of them ever threaten Earth? And what do they reveal about the fate of the universe? Today, we explore the most extreme, most powerful explosions ever witnessed in the cosmos. Supernovae, the death of a star. The most famous cosmic explosion is the supernova, the dramatic death of a massive star. When a star at least 8 times the mass of our sun reaches the end of its life, it explodes in an event so bright that, for a short time, it can outshine an entire galaxy. How supernovae happen? As the star burns through its fuel, its core collapses under extreme gravity. This collapse triggers an explosion so powerful that it sends shockwaves racing through space. The energy released, a supernova can release as much energy in a few seconds as our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. These explosions scatter elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the very building blocks of life. Could a supernova threaten Earth? If a supernova occurred within 50 light years, its radiation could strip away our atmosphere and trigger a mass extinction. The good news: no massive stars are close enough to pose a threat. At least, not yet. Hypernovae, the titans of destruction. If you think a supernova is powerful, imagine an explosion 100 times stronger. That's what happens in a hypernova, the death of the universe's most massive stars. What makes a hypernova different? Hypernovae occur when stars 30 plus times the mass of our sun collapse. Unlike normal supernovae, hypernovae don't just explode. They also create black holes. Black hole formation: the collapsing star doesn't stop at a neutron star. Instead, it keeps collapsing into an infinitely dense black hole. As it forms, the black hole spews out massive gamma-ray bursts, the most intense form of radiation in the universe. The biggest hypernova ever recorded, in 2019, astronomers witnessed a hypernova 200 times brighter than any recorded supernova. The explosion was so extreme it could be seen from 4.6 billion light-years away. Gamma-ray bursts. The most violent explosions known, supernovae and hypernovae, are deadly. But the most powerful explosions in the universe are gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. These are the universe's most extreme cosmic fireworks, capable of releasing more energy in seconds than the sun will in its entire lifetime. What causes a gamma-ray burst? When a hypernova collapses into a black hole, it generates twin beams of radiation moving at near light speed. If one of these beams is pointed at Earth, we see it as a gamma-ray burst. How dangerous are GRBs? A GRB within 5,000 light-years could wipe out Earth's ozone layer, exposing us to deadly radiation. Scientists believe a gamma-ray burst may have caused a mass extinction event 450 million years ago. Neutron star collisions, the birth of heavy elements. Imagine 2 dead stars, each the mass of the sun but only the size of a city, colliding at nearly the speed of light. The result: a catastrophic explosion so violent it literally shakes the fabric of space-time. How it happens: neutron stars are the dense cores left after supernovae. Sometimes, 2 neutron stars orbit each other for millions of years before eventually colliding. What these collisions create, the impact produces an explosion called a kilonova, which is 1,000 times brighter than a normal nova. These collisions forged the universe's heaviest elements, including gold, platinum, and uranium. In fact, the gold in your jewelry was likely formed in one of these cosmic collisions billions of years ago. Historic discovery. The 2017 neutron star collision. In 2017, astronomers detected gravitational waves from a neutron star merger for the first time. This event confirmed that gold and other heavy elements are created in these cosmic explosions. The Big Bang. The ultimate explosion. We've covered the most powerful explosions in the modern universe. But nothing, absolutely nothing, compares to the event that started it all. The Big Bang. The birth of everything. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born from a single point smaller than an atom. In less than a second, it expanded faster than the speed of light, creating all the matter and energy we see today. How do we know the Big Bang happened? Scientists have detected cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. The universe is still expanding today, meaning it must have started from a single explosive event. Could there be another Big Bang? Some scientists believe in the idea of a cyclic universe, where Big Bangs happen over and over. If true, the next Big Bang could be trillions of years away, but it could reshape the entire universe. The universe is a violent and explosive place. From supernovae to black holes, from neutron star collisions to the Big Bang itself, these cataclysms shape the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. But one question remains. Will we ever witness a cosmic explosion that changes our own world? Which of these explosions do you think is the most terrifying? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing space content. Until next time, keep looking up.